Hi everyone. So today the French sentence that I like to share with you is quand je suis arrivé chez moi, il pleuvait encore. Okay, what it means is when I arrived home, it was still raining. Okay, now let's take a closer look. Quand, that means when, and then I, very easy. Suis, it is am. Arriver, arrive, but this altogether is called passé composé, that tense in French. So when you are describing something that is already finished in the past, we would use passé composé. So this is suis arrivé. Chez moi means my place, arrived at my place. It pleuvait, rain. Okay, now pleuvait, it originally is pleuvoir, it means rain, but now the tense we're using here is imperfect tense. This is unlike this one. This one is for finished action, remember? This one is for ongoing action or habitual action in the past. Pleuvait, encore, that is still. Okay, let's repeat again. Quand je suis arrivé chez moi, il pleuvait encore. Quand je suis arrivé chez moi, il pleuvait encore. Okay, so that's what I learned today. It's a very beautiful sentence for me because I like it raining. I like it raining. Okay, that's enough. So I hope you guys enjoyed as well, and I'll see you next time. Bye.